Hey, so it's maintenance day. Volvo XC90, F-150 Raptor, both require a maintenance wash. You can see they've been outside in the rain. We've had some winds around here, so we've got pollen. We can see a little bit of dirt down here. The wheel, we can see some mud splatter. It's driving on dirty roads. We've probably got some good grit, etc. on the lower panels of both vehicles. So how are we going to approach this? We're going to drop some APC and a little bit of soap mixed together on the lower areas of the vehicles, including the tires and the alloys. We're going to then rinse those off, and we're going to tackle everything with a rinseless wash. Should be done in a couple of hours at most. We're going to seal the deal with the drying aid, just to kind of add some protection. Both cars do have ceramic coating on. The F-150 has a 2-year ceramic coating on it, and the Volvo has a 5-year ceramic coating on it. So this should go fairly simple, fairly quickly. And we'll report back on the end result. And we'll speak to you guys a little later. All right, finished the Volvo. It took a little bit longer, hour and a half. Why did it take so long? We've got a little bit of a breeze. It's throwing up some pollen, so I ended up having to chase a little bit. But we do have a clean car. You can see from the wheel standpoint, everything's looking good. I've taken off any of the dirt on the side, any of the grit. So just to kind of reiterate what we did, we dropped a APC with a little bit of soap in the APC, just to give it some more cleaning power. Let that dwell on the sides for a little bit. Rinsed those lower panels off. And then we rinseless washed. That took a little bit of time. That was panel by panel, or rather, let's say, the hood end, the doors, side panels, the roof, the windows. Clean the wheels, and then we've dropped on some tire dressing. This is all good, ready to go. Next up, the Raptor.